Hello students, in this lecture we have studied crystal imperfections, which is also called as the crystal defects. So we know that crystal is composed with atoms. So due to that it creates various defects. It it contain mainly classification of crystal imperfections, point defects, line defects and surface defects. In classification of crystal imperfection, there are three types of crystal defects or imperfection. First, point defect, which is also called as a zero-dimensional defect. This defect is mainly occur due to a imperfect arrangement of atoms in crystallization. Second type of defect, that is line defect, also called as a one-dimensional defect. It is due to the linear dislocation. Third type of defect, that is surface defect, which is also called as a two-dimensional defect, mainly occur on the surface of materials. First we have seen point defects. So there are point defects in mainly occurs due to the imperfect packing of atoms during crystallization. There are various types of point defects such as vacancy defect, interstitial defect, substitutional defect, Frenkel defect and Schottky defect. We see one by one. So first type of point defect is a vacancy defect. As shown in figure, one of the atom is missing. One or more atoms are missing in crystal structure, then we can say that is a vacancy defect. It is mainly occur when thermal vibration of atoms at high temperatures. Second type of defect, that is point defect, is a interstitial defect. As shown in figure, it occurs when extra atom occupies interstitial position. That green color, blue color atoms occupy the interstitial position of regular atom. So this type of defect is occur. But this type of defect doesn't disorder the position of other atoms. Third type of defect is a substitutional defect. As shown in figure, it is due to the foreign atom occupies a regular position of atoms. That red color atom occupy the position of regular atoms. So this type of defect is occur. Next point defect is a Frenkel defect. As shown in figure, there are two types of ions or atoms, blue and black color, where black color atoms having size bigger than blue color atoms. So these ions are called as a cation or anion ions. That smaller size atoms are called as a cation, while that bigger size atom are called as anion. So this Frenkel defect is related to that cation and anion ions. So that cation ions are miss or vacant the position of crystal and it occupies the interstitial position. Then this Frenkel defect is occurs. So it is a mainly association of vacancy and interstitial defect of cation ion. Then last type of point defect is a Schottky defect. As shown in figure, it is also associated with cation and anion pair or pair of positive and negative ions, but in this case only missing of this pair. In case of Frenkel defect, we have missing as well as interstitial position of that cation, while here there is a missing of cation and anion pair or positive or negative ion as shown in figure. Then this type of defect is occur. It is mainly available in ceramic materials. So this type of point defects effect on the properties of material such as yield strength, fracture strength, plasticity, thermal conductivity and dielectric strength. So this is about point defects. Next type of defect is the line defects. This defect takes place due to the linear dislocation Dislocation is nothing but an obstacle obtained in linear direction or defect obtained in linear direction, that is called as the dislocation. So when there is obstacle or defect in linear direction, then that is called as a line defect. It also having two types. First type is a edge dislocation. It is due to the extra half plane is added or missing in a crystal plane. So as shown in figure, first figure shows that there is a regular arrangement of atoms. In second figure, that arrangement is dislocate or it changed the defect due to the extra half plane is add or missing. So this type of defect is occur, that is called as edge dislocation. We can check edge dislocation with another views. These are the some another views which clear the edge dislocation. It is mainly occur when half plane of atom is included or miss from the crystal plane. Then next type of line defect is a screw dislocation, where atoms are dislocated in two separate planes perpendicular to each other. So again, first figure shows the regular arrangement of atoms in crystal plane, while second figure shows that screw dislocation when atoms dislocated in two separate planes perpendicularly. So again, we have clarified this screw dislocation with different figures. As shown in figure, there is an arrangement of atoms appear like screw or helical surface due to that screw dislocation. Therefore, it is called as a screw dislocation. So it is mainly available for surface where helical path is given. So there is a difference between edge dislocation and screw dislocation. Is in edge dislocation, one of the atom is absent or replaced as an extra atom, while in screw dislocation, atoms are displayed in two separate planes perpendicular to each other. In edge dislocation, defect is represented by reverse T, while defects appears as a screw in screw dislocation, or we can say that screw is a rotating object, so defect for screw dislocation is represented by clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, edge dislocation also shows by positive and negative edge dislocation, where reverse T and general T is used, while screw dislocation is given by clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Third defect is difference is the defect is located on one of the edge of the 3D structure in edge dislocation, while in screw dislocation, spiral distortion beyond the unit of structure. Then third type of crystal defect is a surface defect. This defect takes place on the surface of material. It have also having some types such as grain boundary, twin boundary, stacking fault, volume defect, planar defect, and low angle boundary defects. We see again one by one. First surface defect is a grain boundary defect. It is due to the grain of different orientation of atoms with boundary. Takes place when liquid gets into solids. So that figure shows that one of the microstructure which contain grain and grain boundaries. If there is a different orientation of this grain and grain boundaries, this grain boundary defect is occur. And that another figure shows the view of that grain boundary defect in microscopic images. Second type of surface defect is a twin boundary defect, which is obtained when boundaries in which arrangement of atoms on one side is mirror image of atoms on another side, or we can say that twinning is nothing but a show the mirror image of object. So this is the twin boundary defect, which shows then twinning planes and mirror image. Then this twin boundary defect we can see with another microscopic view when we have clear that at twin boundary defect shows the mirror image of the another side. Then third type of surface defect is a stacking fault, when the atoms is not in proper sequence. As shown in figure, there is atoms in proper sequence, that is CBA. CBA is the atomic planes arrangement, but figure B shows that CBA, then BAB, ACB, and that is not a proper arrangement. So there is a stacking fault or stacking defect is occur, and that side image shows that microscopic view of that stacking fault. For surface defect is a volume defect, where it occurs when wide or local regions obtain in different phases. Also that wide or neck region obtained when number of atoms missing from lattice. It is mainly occurs in crystalline materials. So these are the some microscopic images which shows the volume defect due to the wide or neck portions. Then next type of surface defect is a planar defect. It is due to the boundary between perfect crystalline region and its surrounding. There are some microscopic images that shows the planar defect which is occur due to the grain boundaries between the crystalline region and its surroundings. Last type of surface defect is a low angle boundary defect. It is due to the angular misorientation between grains. That figure shows that there is a misorientation between the grains in angular form. That angle is created by low angle tilt boundary. So that microscopic image shows that defect in that structure. So this is all about different types of surface defects. So these are the some contents for this topic. Thank you very much.